Hello guys, today's video I've got the how to train your dragon burger. As you can see, it's like red and orange and yellow. That doesn't seem safe, but it's delicious. It's good though. That was one bite. I'm still chewing on it. Well, we got the something pink lemonade and french fries. That's it.